Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard in ClickUp. Whether you're managing projects or simply trying to stay organized, having a clear and customizable dashboard can make a world of difference. Dashboards help you see key information at a glance, reduce time spent searching for updates, and keep everyone aligned. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through each step to set one up perfectly according to your needs. First, head over to ClickUp. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If you're new to ClickUp, signing up is easy and will open up a world of productivity tools, including task management, reporting, and automation features that work seamlessly together. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page, which is also known as the ClickUp Home. This area gives you a quick overview of your tasks and projects, helping you understand what needs attention right away before diving deeper into customization. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Look for an option labeled More. Clicking on this will reveal a host of additional features and options that ClickUp offers. It's a menu designed to give you access to advanced settings, integrations, and other useful tools you might need as your workflow becomes more complex. As you explore this expanded menu, you're going to want to find and click on Dashboards. Dashboards are like control centers for your projects, letting you view and manage multiple aspects all in one place. This is especially useful for tracking progress, deadlines, workloads, and performance metrics without jumping between different lists or spaces. Once you're in the dashboard section, you'll be presented with a couple of choices. If you're looking for something quick and easy, you might want to opt for a simple dashboard. However, if you have specific requirements or would like something tailored to your exact needs, consider starting from scratch. Both options can serve as robust tools, so choose the one that best suits your scenario, whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team. Now you have to decide where you want this dashboard to live. Click on Spaces to choose the specific location. Spaces in ClickUp act like folders, helping you keep different parts of your projects or teams organized. Selecting the right space is crucial because it determines who can access the dashboard and how easily you can navigate to it later, especially as your workspace grows. Once you've decided on the space, it's time for the exciting part. Click on Create Dashboard. This action will generate your very own workspace within ClickUp, custom tailored to your specific specifications. Second, work, care, and rest. ClickUp Care, Care, Care. From here, you can start customizing widgets, metrics, and other features to make your dashboard as insightful and useful as possible. You can add task lists, charts, time tracking, workload views, or even goal progress, depending on what information matters most to you. The beauty of dashboards is that you can continuously refine them as your priorities change. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dashboard in ClickUp, setting you up for success in managing and visualizing your projects. Remember, dashboards are not just static pages, they're dynamic tools that can be adjusted and refined as your needs evolve. Don't be afraid to experiment with different widgets and layouts until your dashboard truly works for you. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.